All right, so everyone listen. I'm going to tell you what your group's going to be working on. All right, here we go. Who has ever done a graphic organizer before? All right, a few of you. All right, very gentlemen. Huh? Oh, no, no. All right, guys. We'll work on it individually. What this is, a graphic organizer is taking words that are related and drawing a visual picture of it so you can understand how they relate to each other. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is, on these poster boards that I gave you, you're going to take all these words. Now, you have to use a minimum of these words, which means you can add other words, you can use a word more than once, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to take these words and you're going to be creative, okay? So I want it to look good, I want it to look creative, and actually if you want some scrap paper, my suggestion would be trying one on a scrap paper first and doing it. But you're going to organize them how you think these things are related. For example, I've got an example on the board here. Does everybody see where I have animals? Now my animals I broke into two categories. Animals I like, animals I dislike. And then under like I put dogs, under dislike I put cats. And it kind of shows you how the animal category is put together, okay, of animals I like and animals that I dislike. Brian, you with us?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, very good. So, on the board, and here is just, you don't have to do it like this. This is just someone who is proud of their graphic organizer that they did for first block. But you see how they kind of color-coded it, and they did every which way, kind of had the words related, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take all of the words on the board, okay, right here, from Adam to Sue, okay, and see how they're related to one another. And you're going to draw a picture of it, okay? You can cut the words out of the construction paper, glue them on there. You can do it with markers. You can do it with colored pencils. But I'm going to grade you on how well you work in your group. I'm going to grade you on using all the words, okay? And I'm going to grade you on your creativity and your neatness. How much effort did you put into it, okay? Now, what we're going to do is you're going to work on it today. I'm probably going to give you, this class is pretty quick. We're going to get about 45 minutes. Then tomorrow, I'm going to draw 3 random groups from the container that I have. And you're actually going to draw yours on the board, and you're going to have to explain. Actually, this class is small, so everyone, instead of drawing on the board, is going to go up there, show their product tomorrow, and explain why they did it the way they did it.
Everybody?
Every group. So every group's going to stand up there, and you're going to explain why you organized the words the way that you did. Okay? And as long as you can explain why you put the words the way you did, you know, it's not incorrect, okay? So the whole point is for you to understand how things are related. For example, how are atom and electron related?
Say again. They both atoms.
They are. They're both in elements, very good. And the electron is what? In the atom, very good. It's in the atom. So those are 2 of the words. So you want to take the words and draw a picture of it that makes sense to you. Does that all make sense to everybody? All right. Any questions on what you're doing? I've got tons of supplies. I've got pencils. Now, if you need colored pencils or markers, just take some out of the thing and bring them back to your groups, okay? I have scissors, I have rulers, I have pencil sharpeners, colored paper, white paper, glue, tape. I forgot glue sticks. I apologize. All right? Any questions? But I definitely would recommend doing a practice one first before you do it onto your final poster board. And since you guys are small, we will probably put your poster boards either here on the wall, or if you want, maybe we'll put them on the wall out in the hall. You know how some teachers do? No, you guys don't like that? You don't like that? You're not proud of your work?
I'm proud of it. You can on TV on Channel 1.
I might put it on Channel 1. I'll give it to Mr. Carter.
So where is Channel 1? Where is it?
You know who Mr. Carter is on the English Hall?
Oh, yeah.
He takes Channel. No, he doesn't take Channel 1, but he used to do a program right after Channel 1.
Is he doing it this year?
I think he is, yeah.
Hold on, but ain't there like a grown face show to me?
Channel 1.
So how?
He's not. He doesn't program. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. You got 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Get the stuff that you need.
Thinking about this.
If you want scrap paper, you get a blank sheet of paper and make some ideas on it. There's some blank white paper. I know, paper. If you want to use a book, you can use a book, you can use notes.
I don't know what she said. What'd you say?
Good job, they actually
Next year, you should go with me. And you could.
She's sitting a popcorn.
You're gonna watch that.
Just kidding.
You do like
All right, I guess I'll sit over here. It's a group green, and everybody has to make sure that everyone's
Go ahead and look.
I think you did something similar.
We ain't done.
why we got different
A lot of people write words down.
Let's get like start with a super broad topic and then.
That was probably the best part. I got it. You need something.
Oh my goodness. It needs to be neat.
Someone's like, someone's like, I have him to draw around here. I can read him. I can read. I can read. Him and his brother, it's hard to meet them every time. You be talking in class, I'm like, say it. But
My paper.
I just check out. Maybe you're more interested.
Probably just have fun.
So what? How are we gonna do the categories? Like, what's gonna be the center?
Oh, and I forgot to say, you can use a word more than once. So if you want to use a word multiple times, you can. Or you can add your own words. If there's something that you want to add, you can add your own words. Ready to go?
So how are we gonna
We're gonna like write programs like
You can do it first and then we'll do. We don't know what the middle one
in life isn't so broad.
and I'm supposed to try and do it.
And remember, I'll grade you on creativity and effort, so make sure your poster boards look really good. Someone put them on the wall.
Got crushed up in the
Decide to go with color pencils.
I didn't know. I see it open it
broader.
Make it make you tired. Stop taking
I was Snapchatting everybody. She said, you Snapchat Eric? When we do it, make sure we get
Maybe we should make it, can we combine it?